Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll walk you through the safe and legit ways to unblock or recover your Pocket Option account. No hacks, no risky methods, just proper steps that actually works. So just a short disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not promoting trading, financial decisions, or bypassing any platform rules. So always follow the Pocket Options official guidelines and terms. So first is we have to check the reason why your account was blocked. So most blocks happen because of wrong password attempts, suspicious login activity, incomplete verification, violating the terms, and using VPNs from restricted regions. So inside the Pocket option, they usually send an email explaining the reason. So you just have to make sure to check your inbox and spam folder. And the next one is to reset your password if it's a login issue. So if you simply cannot log in, you go to the Pocket Option login page, tap on the Forgot Password, and you have to enter your email and follow the link that they sent you. So you just have to make sure the email is the same one that you used when you created your Pocket Option account. The next one is to complete all KYC verification steps. So if your account is blocked because of identity verification, you have to upload a clear photo of your ID. You also have to make sure that your selfie matches the ID, and you have to use your real and correct details. You have to also avoid blurred or cropped images. So the verification is usually the main reason many users get blocked. So you just have to complete all KYC verification steps. The next one is to turn off the VPN or use a stable connection. So Pocket Option sometimes blocks suspicious IP addresses. So first, you have to turn off your VPN. You have to use your regular home or mobile data and avoid public Wi-Fi when logging in. So this reduces the chances of triggering the security filters. So you just have to make sure to turn it off and use a stable connection. And next one is to contact the official Pocket Option support. So this is the safest and most effective way. You can message them through the official website. So you just have to go to support or help center, tap on submit a ticket, and explain what happened. And you can also attach any proof that they may need. So you have to keep your message simple and polite, and support replies faster when the details are complete. So you just have to make sure to complete them. The next one is to avoid third-party or unlock services. So you have to never trust people who offer instant unblocking, bypass verification, paid unblocking services. So they are unsafe, risky, and can get your account banned permanently. So the next one is to wait for the support team's review. So once you've submitted a ticket, wait for their reply, and review time usually depends on verification workload, completeness of your documents, and the reason for the block. So you just have to keep on checking your email for updates. So for conclusion, unblocking a Pocket Option account is all about understanding the reason, following the official process, completing your verification, and contacting support if needed. So these are the safe and legal and won't put your account at risk. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!